Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another great recipe for you today. You may or not know this, but there's two things that I'm very, very good at in the kitchen. I make great desserts, I'm a good baker, and I make really good salads. The only things I do well, but I really make really good pimento cheese. I make great egg salad, I make chicken salad, tuna salad, all those things. I've really got a good hand for. So I've got for you a pimento cheese recipe today. It's super basic and simple. You can make lots of changes to it. It's sort of, it's actually really ready for you to add things to it differently if you want to. But as we always say around here, go exactly by the recipe the first time. And then after that, make it your own. So if you want to add bacon for a province or, you know, another thing to your recipe, you certainly may. I'm going to start out with some cream cheese that's softened, which just means that it's been sitting out for a little while. Go ahead and get it. See how quickly that. Now, if you pull a cream cheese a block of cream cheese out of the refrigerator and try to do this right away, it's not going to happen because it's just so cold and hard. But yeah, that's already soft. So we'll add to our cream cheese a little bit of mayonnaise. And we'll cream these two together with the mixer. And when we get a little bit further afield, we'll start to fold it. So our mayonnaise, cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead right now and add a little pinch of pepper to that. Put some nice pepper in our mayonnaise, cream cheese mixture. Great, those are combined. Now to that, I'm going to add my pimentos. And some cheese. Shredded cheddar. If you want to use a blend of cheese, you can. I mentioned it already, but man, do I really like to cook some bacon, some nice crispy bacon, and crumble it up and fold it in there also. Olives are really good in pimento and cheese. Green olive.
Now he's no longer making it light.
No longer light. Yeah, that's right. She's right. Okay, so I'm just going to use my spoon and mix everything together here. We're beginning to get what looks like a good pimento and cheese. Not a real large amount. Just some. I don't know what vehicle you like for your pimento and cheese. Sometimes people just like sandwiches. I like celery sticks. So I've got some celery sticks there. This is folded together nicely. Let's give it a taste and see if it needs anything. May need to add a pinch of salt, or maybe even a little bit more. Oh, you know what? It's on. A little bit of onion powder. Calls for a pinch of onion powder. That's a pinch. My mom's got some great measuring spoons here. It goes all the way down to a dash, a pinch, a dash. So there's the pinch. Onion powder is pretty strong, so got to be careful with that. Don't want to overdo it. And I don't see the pepper in there the way that I would like to, so one more little shot. Pepper. It smells good too. Let's see. Good taste. Do you like pimento cheese? I do. That's enough. All right, check it out. Oh boy. Doesn't need anything else. It's great exactly like it is. But you have my permission to change it any way you want to. So, until next time, pimento cheese. See y'all later.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.